Today, Tim Jones will be demonstrating a planned maintenance on a client's forklift. Industry standard for planned maintenance is every 200 to 250 hours. This means, depending on your usage of the forklift, we will work with your schedule to have a PM at the proper time interval. When the technician arrives, he will clock into the job site and set up a workspace out of our client's way. Firstly, the technician will fully lubricate the mast rails. The technician will then check the engine coolant levels. Also, the technician will make sure it has not been contaminated and will still serve its purpose in the forklift. The technician will use a voltmeter to check the voltage across the battery. The battery should be charged to a few tenths above the voltage the battery is rated for. After checking the battery voltage, the technician will use an air compressor with a controlled air nozzle to clear out the radiator. Also, he will blow off any dust or debris on the engine, as well as the mast and chains. Now, the technician will begin to let the oil drain. The technician will write the date and the hour meter total for the forklift at the time of the PM on the new oil and air filters. Then he will replace the old oil and air filters with new ones. While the oil is draining, the technician will check the level of the transmission fluid as well as its cleanliness. Once the oil is drained, it is poured into a barrel in the tech's van and taken back to the shop to be properly disposed of. Before putting new oil in the forklift, the technician will check the security of any fuel, oil, or coolant lines to ensure their security during operation. Once the technician confirms that all lines are secure, he will fill the engine with new oil. Now the technician will reassemble the unit. At Sunbelt, we make sure to leave our client's equipment better than we found it. After reassembling the unit, the technician will thoroughly grease the mast and steer axle, ensuring no grease points are missed. Finally, our tech will use cleaner and lubricant on the mast chains to extend their longevity. Thank you for watching this planned maintenance presentation. Please refer to the contacts in the description for help with any of your company's maintenance needs.